Who serves a family most? Mothers or fathers? Mother provided comfort zone, but the power which she got from our father only.
Whatever education you are taking, whatever food you are eating, it's happening because of your father's hard work.
Whenever it comes to comfort, the very first person comes in our mind is our mothers, guys.
Mother serves the most because they are doing the house chores, they are doing everything for their children, and they are even serving their husbands also.
Our mother suffers the most at our house.
She do everything and still she is not deserving. She is not getting that much love what she deserves.
मातृदेवो भव एवं कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति.
Here we have got one argumentative topic, and I simply want you people to place your arguments right there in front of people. Who serves a family most? Mothers or fathers? Everybody is allowed to place their opinion, whatever you feel like. So here we begin. Look at AC. The AC which provides us comfort. But the stepladder who provides him power. The same goes with our family. Mother provided comfort zone, but the power which she got from our father only. That's why what I contemplate, father supports more the family.
मातृदेवो भव एवं कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति. May you heard this slokas of Sanskrit, which is totally and amazing. You know, in this era, we oftenly celebrate Mother's Day, but inside it, we forget even there is a Father Day too. Even there is a sloka that Pitradevo Bhava too. You know, we genuinely respect our mothers, but we don't see the hard work of our father. You know, whatever dress you are wearing, whatever education you are taking, whatever food you are eating, it's happening because of your father's hard work. And generally, that's why I believe that our fathers more serve in our family. Why? So, if in your home something happened wrong, you know, the first headache went to your goes to your father's head only. That's why our father serves more in our family.
Mothers serve more than father because as you know that father may at least having a day to relax in weekends or some days are too, but if I talk about the mother, they have don't have a day to relax, and because in every day she she did work for ourselves only or for father only, father too. That's why what I believe, mothers serve more than father.
I personally contemplate is that our mother is somewhere underrated in our house as well. She is doing work, housework, 24 hours. Okay, for 24 hours. She is preparing food for us. She is ironing our clothes. She is cleaning our shoes, socks, dresses, and everything. But when it comes to give respect to mother as well, our father is the one who shouted on her. And this is not a story of about one of a particular house. It is a story of maybe of about more than many of you have faced these things. Your father generally shouted on your mother. Now, I would like to say one thing that our mother suffers the most at our house. You know why? For example, she fall ill and she cannot go to the doctor by her own self. Why? Because she need to ask to the head of the family. And who is the head of the family? Obviously our father. So, why it is said that our mother suffers the most because of this reason. She serves 24 into 7 hours, but in the result she get nothing. Either she get disrespect or she has to ask permission every single time wherever she go. We can see an example of our parents, like father. Whenever he wants to go anywhere, he do not tell to anyone he go. Whenever our siblings wants to go anywhere, they do not even inform they go. But when it comes to mother, she has to give a single point that where she has gone, why did she visited there and everything. This is why, that's why I am saying that our mothers are mother suffers the most at their house.
Whenever it comes to comfort, the very first person comes in our mind is our mothers, guys. Because we all know that what is the importance of our mothers in our life. We know that fathers and mothers are very almost equal in our life, but I believe that mothers are the one who serves most because she has her own life. But from that life she takes out time for ourselves, she take out time for the home, she take out time for the job that she does, but we never judge that. We just see that It's very traditional that we believe that fathers are the one who serves our family. But I believe that mothers are also doing the same work in different form, because mothers also do everything right now. Girls are also the one who do jobs, who do chores at home, who take care of house, of the whole family. But we just think that the father is the one who take care of our family, because this is the mindset that we have created because of our society.
According to me, you all are talking with the preferences of the societal or with the preferences of the society. So only society expects that there should be a family, there should be a mother, there should be a father whose role are these and these. But if you are talking about the on the preferences of society, so let me also talk that they have given the work to father, that they have to earn for their family, and the mother, that they have to provide everything or do every household chores. But in this situation, I would strongly like to support mothers here, because in this era, let's talk about this modern era. In this era, a woman can do everything, as we all know. She can work, she can focus on her children, she can even pay to her husband, or make him stay at home and stay there only. But if we see as the father, what their work in our family, that they have to go out and they have to just earn money. Yeah, I'm not talking about the wrong perspective, but all we have gone to see, but this is enough. So according to me, mother serves the most, because they are doing the house chores, they are doing everything for their children, and they're even serving their husbands also.
Imagine you are working the whole day restlessly just because, and still you are not getting that respect which you deserve. I am not asking for the respect which you are asking, the respect which you deserve. Just because you are not earning, and even though when you are earning, still you are supposed to do the household work, because you are the woman or you are the mother of the house. Well, in today's era, this is a very to be known thing in our household, which we are also observing, is that if our father is working, then he is not supposed to do the household works, just because of the societal norms and all those things. But if a mother is also doing the jobs, still she is supposed to, or she is supposed to be doing household works with managing her work. And still, if she is not doing it better, people are taking it as a for grantedness, just because she is a woman and she is just for the emotional role of the house. Just because of these societal norms, we have bounded men with the work outside of the house and women's inside of the house. And these small things are actually describing how our country is even still developing, not developed. Do you know in other countries, when both the men and women are working, they are supposed to divide the household works equally, because it is not just a room of four walls. It is a house which is made by emotions, made by efforts. Then how can we expect that these efforts are only going to be from the one side? Why we are talking it, or we are only associating females with the emotionally connected things, and not with the finances and all those things? And that is why, because of this, they are always said or put in a step back. And that is why I firmly support that women are more what we call it, providing to a house rather than the men.
I totally disagree. Whosoever is saying that moms are more hardworking as compared to our dads. The future, like if I talk about the past of the man, start from the beginning only. Once my social studies teacher said that boys, you have to do studies, because in future you have to do your jobs, you have to complete the profession, and then you have to marry. The girls have two options: either they can go with the study, and if they can't go with the study, so they can have the marriage, and they can go with a person who is already successful. So I think so that the hard work of a man start from the teenage only. He has to go outside. He has to meet with different people. If you don't know about the corporate sector, so how hard is to live there. Even though I think so that migraine kind of diseases are normal there. So I personally believe that moms are not that much hardworking as compared to our dads.
In ancient times, we all know only father has to right to earn money. But in this time, everyone has to right earn money. But still, I think father has more contribution more than mother because boys have foundation or restriction that you have to earn money. But girls has not because girls earn money because of their own personal choice because they want to become independent. They want to become their parents feel proud and boys has not that choice because they have to earn money and I think father has not father has emotion but still they are not saying to anyone because they think if I say to anyone then they feel nervous and they feel bad about like me. I think that's why father has more contribution.
So I just saying that it's not about to giving it's not about to just earning money. It's about to giving your effort or time, and the mother actually doing that. And after certain period of time, your father started frustrating, but your mother never ever, because she knows the if she do everything and still she is not deserving. She is not getting that much love what she deserves. So I believe the mother served more than the father.